Hey guys, today in this video I will show you the easy way to remember whole animal kingdom with this chart. So let's begin. So first of all, phylum Porifera. We see that in phylum Porifera, level of organization is cellular, symmetry is of various type, and the body cavity is absent. Segmentation is absent, digestive system is also absent, circulatory system is also absent, respiratory system is also absent, and distinctive feature of this phylum is they have body with pores and canals in their body walls. Next phylum is coelentrates, also known as Canidaria. So they have tissue level of organization, they are radial symmetry, body cavity is absent in them, segmentation is absent, digestive system is incomplete, circulatory system is absent, respiratory system is absent, and distinctive feature is these have cydnoblast in them, which is a poisonous gland. So cydnophora, it is level of tissue level of organization, symmetry is of radial, body cavity is absent, segmentation is also absent, digestive system is incomplete, circulatory system is absent, respiratory system is also absent. Distinctive feature is they have comb plates for locomotion. Next is phylum Platyhelminthes. So in phylum Platyhelminthes, level of organization is organ and organ system. They have these two types of level of organization. They are generally bilateral symmetrical, and body cavity is also absent. Segmentation is also absent. Digestive system is incomplete. Circulatory system is absent. Respiratory system is absent. And distinctive feature is they have flat body. These are also called suckers. Next phylum is phylum Aschelminthes. They have organ system level of organization. They are bilateral symmetry and body cavities pseudocoelomate. They are the only ones who has pseudocoelomate. Segmentation is absent. Digestive system is complete in them. So Aschelminthes has complete digestive system. Circulatory system is also present, but respiratory system is absent. Distinctive feature is often worm shaped. These are often worm shaped and elongated. Next is phylum Annelida. Level of organization in Annelida is organ system. Symmetry is bilateral. Coelom is coelomate. Segmentation is present. So these are segmented. Digestive system is complete. Circulatory is present. Respiratory is absent. Distinctive feature is body segmentation like rings. So their bodies are divided in segments like which appears as ring. Next phylum is Arthropoda. So they have organ system level of organization. They are generally bilateral. Body cavities they are coelomate. Segmentation is present. Digestive system is complete. Circulatory system is present, and respiratory system is also present in arthropods. So their exoskeleton of cuticles, distinctive feature, jointed appendages. They have jointed legs for locomotion. So next phylum is phylum Mollusca. So they have organ system level of organization. They are bilateral in symmetry. Body cavity is coelomate. Segmentation is absent in them. Digestive system is complete. Circulatory system is present. Respiratory system is also present. And distinctive feature is external skeleton of shell usually present. Next phylum is phylum Echinodermata. So they have organ system level of organization. They are radial in symmetry. Body cavity is coelomate. Segmentation is absent. Digestive system is complete. circulatory system is present, respiratory system is also present. Distinctive feature is water vascular system and radial symmetry. Next phylum is phylum Hemichordata. So they have organ system level of organization, bilateral in symmetry, body cavity is coelomate, digestive system is absent, segmentation is absent, digestive system is complete, circulatory system is present, respiratory system is also present. Distinctive feature is worm-like with proboscis, collar and trunk. So these are parts which these contains. Next phylum is phylum Chordata. Organ system level of organization, they are bilateral, body cavity is coelomate and segmentation is present. Digestive system is complete, circulatory system is present and even respiratory system is present. Distinctive feature is notochord, dorsal hollow nerve cord. They also have gill slit with limbs or fins. Hey guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful to you, and do subscribe this channel for the such wonderful content, and do share this video with your friends who find Animal Kingdom difficult to learn. And to download the PDF of this chart, go to the link in the description box